How to subscribe Amazon Prime without autopay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime without autopay, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I get what you're talking about. You want to subscribe Amazon Prime, but you don't want it to cut you off your charges each and every month without your permission, right? Well, let me tell you, is there a way to do that? In an official and direct point of view, no, because as long as Amazon has your card details or whatever payment method you've entered, they're going to automatically deduct the balance to auto renew your membership. However, there is still a workaround around this. That is that you can simply cancel the membership after you open and then get charged for this month. So that way, when I have already paid for this month and as soon as I cancel it, my membership is going to remain till the end of this month, and then I won't be charged the next month after that. So that's how it works. It's not about subscribing Amazon Prime without autopay. It's subscribing Amazon Prime, then canceling the membership. That will only let you watch Prime for this month if it's a monthly plan, and it will not charge you next month onwards. And to again resume it, you have to resume the membership. Now to give you a basic context, I want you to simply open up your browser, then just go to primevideo.com. Then you can say I don't have a membership, so I'm just going to tap the sign up button here. Then I'm going to select continue on amazon.com. then I'm going to select start your membership now. So you can see my plan. I'll just select the plan option here, and here you can see Prime Video monthly. So basically it's going to cut me off $15 a month, and if I don't cancel my subscription, it's going to again automatically deduct the balance from my card next month onwards. So after I subscribe this month, so I've already been charged for this month, right? So that's how it works. Because I've already been charged for this month, my membership is going to remain till the end of the month, which is my billing cycle. Then after that, if I cancel my membership, I will not get charged. Then after that, if I choose to, then I can resume the membership. So that's how it works. So hope this video helped you understand your question as to how you can subscribe Amazon Prime without autopay. The thing here is to subscribe and then cancel the membership so that you won't get charged next month, and only this month you've already been charged, then you can watch Prime Video fully. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.